slide in your girl's DMs.
Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down.
Boom, welcome back to Pretty Boy Youngish. Look who's here, look who's here, yeah. 1 hour to come here from, yeah. This guy took so long, bro. He said, oh yeah, I'm leaving town. 1 hour ago, bro. 1 hour ago. What time is this? What time is this, blood? What time is this, blood? What time is this? What time is this, love? Wee, wee. Single swing on, triple exhaust, come on. Come on. Coming from town an hour, yeah?
How does it feel?
How does it feel? If I might, because I'm always late.
Always.
Oh, that's what you're saying. You good? Look fresh on it though. Innit? Same, my thing was blowing, bro. Humidity, innit? That's what it is.
Yeah. Was it getting open? How did you get?
Ibrahim.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he was like, I didn't know you son. Proper shot. You ready? Chrome thing, lifetime warranty.
Too far.
Yeah.
What are those?
What are those?
They're called my sandals.
And Max's. Actually, Anaki's dead. You've got their stuff.
Yeah, we didn't get the big set for nothing. So too, he opened my whole brand new box just to get that out. Oh, that's too big. That's what she said.
That's what she said.
Bro, Italian back. Look what you have to do just to gain clear access to the battery. Take the whole, fair enough.
I showed him the terminals as well, the battery terminal.
I showed them. It's not even plus and negative. Look what it says on there. It says B and M. B and M, look. B must be positive in Italian.
B&M, some cheap super. Not the bike, bro.
Oh, shit.
The charger's not even on. Now don't be editing that shit out either.
There we go, bang!
You can't edit
Oh my days, come bring me
You can't edit it, see? Yeah, this is the battery power. This is what his battery power is. Let's see. Yeah. You want to check his battery power without switching the socket on, yeah? First of all. You can't edit that shit while I put it on mine, the unit and stuff. So here's his battery power. There we go. It's on low. Really, the battery power is not on low. I think the battery's had its days, to be honest with you.
Fucking cutting, man. It's made dents now. Oh, my veins are popping out.
You won't be editing any of this stuff, yeah?
You'd rather see your face other than the box is done.
Yeah. Or the €7 each one.
That's 14 euros then.
There you are. I'll take a couple.
Hurt so bad, why did you?
Alright, so guys, Sully's new setup. as you probably see from the video that's out on Sunday, about the I actually finally edited it, got time to edit it, because I did the brand deals. Remember that when we did the garage thing, the tour, the reveal. Remember how it was neatly piled? Now look at it, all over the place. And we smoked Sully on, oh yeah, Ducati Forza. Look at that flag he's got over there. What flag is that, Sully?
NV Agusta.
What's that, lad? NV, that's what you needed in the garage. But yeah, if you ever need anything done, Sully will will make you some mats. Make sure you hold that in. Even though he doesn't want to, because he said it takes long. Well, so how have you got where you've got to without hard work?
I've done my time.
We did some recording.
Oh, that's my real end. That one.
Yeah, I saw that, man. That one's good.
So that's the last one I made. The whole Scotland trip is on the cardboard. Yeah.
Wait, man, it's unfocused. Wait. Jeez.
My editing skills are getting there, yeah? That was my first ever video.
Sully's gonna teach me how to edit now. Yo, that was hard. You see how that's moved? Yeah.
And then I speed it up.
Send me that.
Yeah. Then I speed it up.
Then use it and yo, go back.
Yeah.
Go back. Oh. Go in your gallery, innit? You see that swerve there?
Yeah.
360 swerve. That was sick.
I sped it up, innit?
Yeah, that looked hard. Man, like Sully's becoming an editor, you know.
Editor.
Oh, how's my battery though? The one on the red carpet looked hard.
My invisible stick.
That is so sick how you can't see it.
That's what my missus tells me. I started again when he lands on his hands up phone. And then Umu says, tell me the biceps, I want to biceps. And then
Umu was hell annoying yesterday. I left him, I didn't even chat to him. I don't care, I'll edit it out. That's it, put on that.
enough. Okay, yeah, good. If you're not out in the car, basically, if you're not out in the, you're not allowed to sit in the car, you take the camera. You didn't see my Maybach, and I showed the Maybach.
Well, you got a Maybach now?
No.
Oh.
I take my camera into the Maybach.
And there's a whole swerve inside by itself. That would be lit. Imagine you hold it in one position, it does the whole circle by itself.
I'll show you what I did then. So here I focus it to steering wheel. Focus.
Or was that just a flip or a swerve?
That was like a flip.
Okay.
And then you go back out, yeah? That's that one, yeah? Let me show you the second video I did last night whilst I was
That's good though.
asleep.
Send me the one you made when you posted on your Instagram.
That's Maybach, yeah?
Jeez. And you didn't move the stick, you just stood as it
The
was.
camera stays in one place.
That's sick. I need a 360 camera.
And it goes straight to the
I like that.
You get me?
Send me that one you put on your reel. So he's just got an email from Supercar Inquiries. We've got a big surprise for everyone. Stay tuned. He's joining the Italian family, so have a guess what car he's getting. Maybe a Bugatti, maybe a Zonda, maybe a Ferrari, maybe a Lambo or a Porsche.
You know, I get 3-wheeler.
He's gonna get a tricycle.
What's your email?
Alpha Lee. Your name out last night. hotmail.co.uk.
Double L. Hotmail.
Yeah, .co.uk. Classic episode. Yeah, I've had that since MSN days. The same email. I've never changed it. Do you remember MSN? You have to budge people, nudge them. Go on webcam.
We had WAP.
What?
Before MSN, before computer,
Before
PC. We had WAP.
what the hell is educate the subscribers. What is what?
Man about WAP. We had chat room, which was WAP. So you went on your phone. We had.
One eternity later.